The way students perform is highly dependent on the interest they show towards their studies. We surveyed around 100 people and the results were not far from expectations. In an institute where the cream of India is expected to put their 100% effort, devote themselves to acquire knowledge and be the world's spearheads, the student output seems to be alien. We analyzed the interest of students in studies here in IIT, and also we discussed the expectation of a student from IIT. There has been a lot of debate regarding why even after 60 years of its foundation and millions of rupees spent, IITs haven't produced any Nobel laureate. This survey aims at bringing into light the possible sociological problems faced by the student community at IIT and their reasons for opting out of engineering. Only about 25% students find studies alluring, and the inordinately large majority, that is 75% students, find themselves losing interest. During the time when we need the most sharp minds to strengthen our clout in the international stage, this is definitely an alert.
As such, पढ़ाई में इंटरेस्ट की बात हो तो ठीक है, जेई का पोर्शन बहुत अच्छा था, तो पढ़ाई में इंटरेस्ट बहुत आता था, समय मज़ा आता था सॉल्विंग में.
So I just buckled down and prepared for it for an entire year. Those were the most, I'd say, trying and interesting times of my life. I have probably never studied or focused on a particular thing more ever.
To study more than what I study now.
When asked if students put an appreciable effort in studies, the results were very agonizing. The most alarming fact was that nearly 43% said they were rarely or not at all involved in putting efforts to gain knowledge. Only 30% said they often or very often put efforts.
And the studies do not interest me so much. I mean, the courses that I get, some of them do, but not all of them.
शायद आईटी में आके थोड़ा सा वो इंटरेस्ट कम हो गया हो, थोड़ी पढ़ाई शायद जब हम स्पेशलाइज करने लग गए हों अपने फील्ड्स में, तो इन दैट केस हम शायद थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट लूज कर गए हों.
One, the courses. I was really interested in the courses the first year, but when I came to the department, there wasn't a lot that held my attention.
I'm not saying I'm not enjoying it at all. There is a decrease in my enjoyment when it comes to studies.
We get to try out new stuff. We have more options to choose from.
And I don't know, there really were no more goals that were set.
Involvement in alcohol consumption was initially thought to be a subtle reason, but the responses we got led us to totally remove any such possibilities. Nearly 56% of people said they were not at all involved in any such activities. Students find institute's life the best of all. The Indian Institute of Technology has always laid stress on an overall development of an individual. This has led to the birth of numerous student organizations. Only 30% of people said they rarely or not at all find extracurricular activities more enticing than studies. They are not bogged down by peer pressure and find their roommates more than helpful.
Not really.
One of the major issues raised by the students was the interaction with the professors and their capability to deliver their knowledge.
काफ़ी कम है, it is less, but probably it is at a level at which मतलब it can be increased, but as such मेरे तरफ से I have no complaints because मुझे कोई interact करने का enthu भी नहीं है.
It's an obligation of all the educational institute to provide their students with all the possible sources of information and knowledge. 17 hours of undisrupted internet service is one of the most vital decisions our institute has taken, thus ensuring our education process goes without any hitch. So, how have we been utilizing our resources? When subjected to such question, we got a mixed response.
Awesome thing. Ban नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yes, it is a distraction, but at the same time कि अगर वो नहीं होता तो मैं कुछ और कर रहा था.
Frankly speaking, I had no idea of what I desired to be. I mean, I just took engineering because that seemed to be the most feasible, probable, or the most comfortable choice for me. I loved science more than anything else.
intelligent people, by dint of these being in IIT, land up here. And if you curb their potential, अगर तुम उनको बोलोगे नहीं तुमको engineer ही बनना है, so they'll be neither here nor there. And so if you try and make them engineers, you will be losing out on a large part of people who could have done stuff for you. You will lose out on a Jairam Ramesh, or you will lose out on Sandeepan Dev, who's for the record is the editor of Outlook India. You would lose on Manu Parikar, you would lose on a lot of people who have, Victor Menezes for example, who have given back to the country in diverse manners.
After doing a lot of hard work to crack JEE, every student's expectation rises from IIT. He expects no more books, studies to be more practical and application oriented rather than theoretical. But unfortunately, IIT hasn't satisfied their expectation up to the desired level. They believe that here life is like a race. Everyone is running for getting jobs.
You have a picture of an institution where knowledge is a supreme goal, where you get to achieve everything you want, the utopian world kind of feeling. It's a disappointment when you're right.
Yeah, the reason I came to IIT was because I thought it would help me get a better job. In terms of academics, I probably didn't learn much over the years, but otherwise IIT has taught me a lot of life lessons.
It's like a very good undergraduate education. So for me, IIT did not make me an engineer, but I can safely say that it gave me an education.
Here no one talks about invention. Everyone fights for getting marks rather than gaining knowledge. And for most of the third and fourth year students feel that their interest towards study has gone down. One reason may be that people are not satisfied with professors. As a result, students start bunking classes. Most of the students believe that they become addictive to internet, which results in declination of their interest towards study. They spend most of their time in chatting, googling, downloading movies, etc.